Morning all. Are you guys able to hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Are you guys able to see the screen which I'm sharing?
No.
No. I hope you guys are able to see the screen which I'm sharing. If
Yeah,
not, let me know, guys.
now we can see.
Okay. Okay, cool. So as I said that the classes will be starts from today itself. I think the most of you people are confirm your slots with your institute people. If not, please try to confirm your slots by today. Mostly from tomorrow onwards, the link got changed for the meeting. So today itself, the classes has to be started. Okay. If you guys have any doubt regarding the syllabus and all these things, you can ask your institute people. They will share the syllabus documents as well with you. I hope you guys are clear with the syllabus, right? Bhargavi, Bhavya, Jyoti, Priyanka.
For the syllabus, we need to ask institute people.
Yes, I already explained that syllabus in the demo session. If you miss it, the demo session, recording session, then you can ask your institute people for the recording URLs. I hope you got received the recording URLs, right?
Yeah.
In that, I clearly explain what is the syllabus and what is the timings, how the flow is going on for the course, and what are the additional benefits you are getting by the end of the course. Everything is explained clearly in the course. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Is
Cool.
it possible to change the class time half an hour before? Is it possible?
First, initially for the 1 week or 8 days, let me take for this time only. Later, I'm going to change for
Okay.
7:30. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
But initially, I would like to take a slot for 8 to 9 because it was the mostly comfortable time for all the people. So once the people are habituated to understanding the classes which I'm teaching, then we can move on to the half an hour before. Okay, don't worry about that.
Okay.
Okay. So totally, I have categorized the manual classes into 8 or 9 almost. So today we are going to see the first class. Okay. Actually, our classes are consist both the theory and practical part. So sometimes in the same class itself, we are having the theoretical concepts and practical concepts. But sometimes the mostly we are having only theoretical part, and sometimes mostly we are having the practical part. Okay, by the name itself we are having the manual testing. It's nothing but not much practical part is available in the manual testing, but coming to the automation testing there will be a lot of practical scripting and test cases and everything will be there. Coming to the manual testing, we are having very few practical hands-ons. That's all about writing the test cases by your own on the Excel sheet and finding the test cases from the features. And these are the some basic practical examples. In the further sessions, we are going to see all these things. As I said, we are having the classes from Monday to Friday, right? On the Friday, I'm going to give the tasks for Saturday and Sunday, what you are going to do on the weekend. Okay, I will give few tasks to you people, what you people has to do on the Saturday and Sunday. That is the practical work. What I teach from Monday to Friday, from that concepts only, I'm going to give a practical concept to you to do a task or assignment on the Saturday and Sunday. You people have to do hands-on the weekend. And while doing the practice, if you got any doubts, please make a note on any Excel sheet or else any notepad, and you can clear your doubts on the next Monday. It's a very good for you, very good opportunity to practice first. While practicing, you will get so many doubts, right? Of course, that concepts will be covered before week itself. But even though while practicing, you will get more doubts if you compare with listening the classes. But while if you do the hands-on practice, you will get more doubts, right? So that's why I plan the course like that. You people have to do the practice on the Saturday and Sunday. Whenever you are free, you can open those class recordings and see if you have any doubts. And still, if you are not getting to the doubt which you got on that time, then I will clear your doubts on the Monday. Monday is all about the screening session. But today, this starting Monday is not a screening session because I haven't explained anything to you, right? You don't have any doubt. This is the first class. That's why this is not a screening session. From next Monday onwards, every Monday is a screening session. Okay, if you got any doubt on the task which I is given to do on the Saturday and Sunday, I will clear your doubts on it on the Monday. If you guys don't have any doubt, then only I will go with the class on Monday. Getting my point? Bhargavi, Bhavya, Jyoti, Priyanka.
Yes.
Any doubt on it? Bhavya, Jyoti, Priyanka.
No.
But one thing I'm requesting from all the students is, in my class, everyone should be in the active mode, not on the silent mode. Okay, active mode is nothing but whenever I'm asking the question, you people has to try to answer the questions. I'm not asking you to give the correct answers. I'm just asking you people to respond at least. It's nothing but if you habituated to the giving the answers whenever asking the question, it will help you to at the time of interview to habituated to give the answers at the time of interview to the interviewer. It makes you people a different change in your life. Okay. Okay, anyway, let's get into the topics today. We are going to see total 7 topics. What are software and its types? How many types of softwares are available? And what is the difference between software testing and software quality? And what is the difference between project versus product? And why do we need testing? Why we are doing the testing? And what is the difference between error, bug, failure? And why the software application has bugs? And why do you choose a testing job? Okay, sometimes I'm giving one more chance to you guys. Sometimes you people are not able to ask your doubts in the English because you may poor at English and you are not able your mother tongue or else whatever it is, you are not able to ask your doubts in the English language. Then you can ask in Telugu, no issues. Okay, getting my point?
Okay.
Okay, good. So what are softwares and its type? In question itself, I'm asking you people, what is mean by software and how many types of softwares are there? Can anyone tell what is the generic meaning of software? What it is?
Programs. Programming.
Programming? Yes. You can ask, you can tell your use, no issues. Okay.
Collection of
That's what I'm
computer
telling.
programs.
Okay. Very good. And any other answers? That's what
And
I'm
the
telling.
programs helps us to perform a task.
Okay, good. That's what I'm telling guys. Please be in the active mode, not in the silent mode. I'm not expecting you only correct answers. Even if you tell the wrong answers, I won't blame you. Okay. Please be in the active mode. Okay. Software is nothing but a collection of programs which helps to do a particular task. Software is a collection of programs to helps us to perform a particular task that is called software. For example, you want to write some data in the Excel. For example, you got a task to segregate the data of the students like roll number, name, section, subject wise mark. This is the task you got to separate the values from the Excel sheet. This is a task or not? This is the task or not? A single question. Task or not?
Yes.
In that task, what you people has to do? You people has to segregate. That Excel is nothing but a software, right? That software is helping you to perform the task, which is nothing but segregating the data of student. Is it or not? That is called software. Okay. Yes, simply what I can say is software is nothing but a collection of programs. Then what is meant by program? Not only this course, guys, whenever whatever you guys learning, if you get any definition for any question, in that definition you should know every keyword meaning. Then only you will know the complete meaning of that question. For example, here what is mean by software is nothing but software is a collection of computer programs that helps us to perform tasks, right? You know what is meaning of collection computer that helps perform tasks. You know all the meanings of this code keywords. Do you know what is the meaning of programs keyword? What is the meaning of programs keyword? It's nothing but what is meant by program. No one? If you don't know, tell sir, I don't know. But need response.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't
Yes.
know.
Actually, if you want to know the complete definition of the software, you people has to know the meaning of all the keywords which is present in the answer. As per my view, you people all know all the keywords except programs, right? So here programs is nothing but set of instructions or else collection of instructions. What is mean by instruction now? What is mean by instruction?
Command.
Yes,
Mm.
command. For example, just now I'm instructing you people to be in the active mode. That is my instruction to as a tutor to the students. Is it or not? Here program is nothing but set of instructions. That instructions tells to the program to do a particular task. For example, whenever you are opening the laptop, you are owning your start button, right? By clicking the start button, you are owning your laptop. It's nothing but some booting process is going on behind inside the laptop, right? So what is mean by booting process? Booting process is nothing but whenever you switch on your laptop, it will check all the softwares are working fine or not. First, it will check that booting process, then only your laptop will be open after clicking the start button, right? So how it will be open? How it will be open? Because we are having a set of programs. In the set of programs, again we are having the set of instructions. That instructions telling to the particular operating system OS, whether Windows, Ubuntu or Mac, please do some booting process. All the softwares which is present in the system is okay or not. That is called instruction. Set of instructions is called program. Set of programs is called software. Clear about what is meant by software now?
Yes.
I hope you guys are clear what is meant by software, right? Bhargavi, Bhavya, Jyoti, Priyanka.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Here you can see program in set of instructions. Okay. Here, how many types of softwares are available? Total 3 types of softwares are available. First one is system software. Second one is programming software. And third one is application software. It was very simple, guys. System software is nothing but, as I said, that whenever you switch on your laptop, some booting process is going on, right? Which software makes the booting process? Can anyone? Which software do the task to do the booting process? Which software? What is that software name?
System software.
Yes, system software only. I'm asking that. What is that software name? That software comes under the system software only. But I am asking you people, what is that software which makes you people to do the booting process when you are switch on the laptop?
Operating system.
Exactly. Operating system. That operating system is a system software. And one more thing. For example, you are going to take a print from your laptop. At that time, you people have to connect your printer to your laptop. Is it or not? How many of you guys have faced this situation? No
Yes.
one. Whenever you are going to attach a printer to your laptop, you people have to install a driver, printer driver to your laptop. Is it or not?
Yes.
That printer driver is also comes under the system software. And next example is, if you want to connect Wi-Fi to your laptop, you people have to install Wi-Fi drivers for your required laptop version. For example, if you are using the Dell i3 Inspiron model, you people have to install the Wi-Fi drivers as per your laptop model. Then only it will work. Is it or not? You guys are connecting Wi-Fi to your laptop. Is it or not? Then only you are going to connect with the classes. Otherwise, you are not able to connect. Right?
Yes.
So that is also one of the example of system software. And coming to the programming software, I hope you all guys have completed your graduations, maybe degree or BTech, right?
Yes.
While doing the graduation, you may having some labs, like it may be C programming lab, it may be some Python, Java. We are having labs for different programming languages, right? At that time, you people are using some editors to execute your codes, like devs, plus plus, some putty server. We are having different browsers, different editors like Eclipse, IntelliJ. We are using these type of editors. Is it or not? No one used while studying your graduation. You haven't attended for your labs.
No.
No.
No. No.
Okay. I will show one editor. You are able to see an editor which I am showing, right?
Yes.
Yes.
This editor named Eclipse. We are going to use this editor for the automation classes. This editor is called as a programming editor because we are going to do the programming in this editor. Okay, that is called programming software. Okay, and coming to the application software, it's very simple. Every day we are using the different application, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and all the mobile application is called as a application software. Coming to the desktop apps is nothing but we are using the different applications on the desktop. We are using the different applications on the desktop. Is nothing but you, for example, if you want to install the Amazon, Flipkart desktop applications for your laptop, or else if you want to watch any movies, you are going to install some flood or else torrent applications, right? Desktop applications. That applications is also comes under the application software. For example, we are having calculator, desktop calculator. Calculator is there, right? This calculator is also one of the desktop application. This calculator is also one of the desktop application. Getting my point? The application which you installed from the browser to your laptop, those things are called as a application software.
Yes.
Web applications is nothing but the applications which you are searching in your browser. It may be Chrome, it may be Safari, it may be Edge, it may be Firefox, whatever browser you are going to use, just going to that browser and entering the URL of that your destination application and searching about the application. For example, You people are sometimes based on your requirement, you people are going to log in your WhatsApp in the browser. Is it or not? Simply typing the web WhatsApp and scanning your barcode through your mobile and you are logging in the laptop. That is called
Yeah.
web application. Clear about what is meant by software, types of software and their examples?
Yes.
Programming software and sorry, editors. That's it.
Yes, that's it. Editors. Let me do one example. Okay. Are you able to see the browser what I'm showing? Online editor. Online Java editor, for example. So here you are able to see the lot of editors, online editors, right? It's a program is online GV. We are able to see the lot of editors. This is one of the editor for the Java, C, and any type of program you can run it here. Okay, this is called programming editor. Programming. Getting my point, Bhavya?
Yes. Yes.
Nothing much to think of about this. The main thing what you have to see
Okay.
on this is programming software is nothing but the softwares which are helps to do the programming. Those softwares all call it as a programming software.
Okay.
Don't worry about this. What is meant by compiler? What is meant by debugger? What is meant by interpreter? Compiler is
Okay.
nothing but after writing the programming, we are running the code.
Yes.
That running code, what will happen is we are writing that code in English language, right? That English language will not be understood by the machine.
Yes.
The machine will understand only zeros and ones, binary
Yes.
system.
Yes.
So due to these compilers or editors, what they will do is they will convert that English language into zeros and ones. That process is called compiler. Debuggers is nothing but it will show the flow logs, how the program is executing, how much its time it's taking, what is the process going behind while executing the code. These things are called as the debuggers, compilers, interpreters.
Yeah.
Okay. Simply how you can remember about the programming softwares is nothing but softwares which helps you to write the programming is called programming software.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. And next one is what is software testing? I already explained in the demo session what is mean by software development lifecycle. Can anyone tell the phases available in it?
Yeah, requirement analysis, system
Yes.
design, implementation, and testing, deploy, then maintenance.
Yes. There testing is one phase, right? Here, that's what he's telling. Software testing is a part of SDLC. As you said that these many phases, right? Requirement analysis, feasibility study, design, coding, and testing, deployment, maintenance. Their testing is one of the part that he is telling in the first point. And what is the meaning of software testing is? Here, testing is nothing but we are going to check the quality and completeness of that project. For example, the customer came to the software company. That customer is asking to provide the quality product to them, right? So, what the software company will do? The software company will take over the project. The developer starts doing the developing the project. Once the development is done, the tester will start the testing part. Is it or not?
Yes.
What the tester will do? What is the main intention of the tester?
Identify the
Bugs or
detect
error.
and identify the yes
The main intention of the tester is not to
defects.
identify the bugs. Okay. The main intention of the tester is not to identify the bugs. The main intention of the tester is to provide the quality product to the customer. To provide the quality
Yes.
product to the customer. It's nothing but if you want to provide the quality product, how you can provide? It should be zero bug. It should be zero defect. Then only it will be quality product to the customer. Is it or not? Is it or not?
Yes.
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 If the software tester will identify the bugs, then it will not be a quality product. While doing the software testing, the tester should not be identify any bug. Then only it will be a quality product to the customer. For example, you are using the Instagram. In Instagram, we are having so many options to upload your reels, to upload your videos, to upload your shorts, to upload your stories. But instead of uploading the stories, it is moving as a reel. Is it a proper functionality? Is it a quality product?
No.
No.
It's not. That's why we are having so much importance to the tester in the market. It might be manual or automation, whatever it is, there is a lot of importance is there for the automation tester people. Getting my point?
Yes.
Yes.
Getting my point, guys?
Yes.
That is called software testing. Are you guys clear about what is software testing?
Yes, sir.
Nothing much to there for the software testing. What you have to remember is software testing is a part of SDLCs. SDLC is nothing but software development lifecycle, and software tester is identify the bugs to provide the quality product. That's it. You can see the highlighted keywords. It will make you to remember the proper definition. Software testing is a part of SDLC, software development lifecycle, and software testing is an activity to detect or identify the defects to provide quality product to the customer. That's it. That is called software testing. Okay. While we discussing this definition, we found one new term, right? What is that new term? Quality product, right? So what is mean by that quality? As I said that whenever you are going to learn any definition, if you found the new terms, you should know the definition of that new terms, right? So out of these three lines, what are the new terms you are identifying here? Can anyone? What are the terms you don't know out of these three lines? You know all the terms which is visible in three lines.
Quality product. Yeah.
That's it. You know the meaning of defect? I'm just asking guys,
Defect
please
means
respond.
some problems are like bugs.
Yes, what is mean by bug then?
Error.
What is mean by error?
Wrong
Error bug.
programming or a wrong set of instructions.
No, if you don't know, just ask the doubt. Don't tell the assumptions, okay? Defect, bug, all are different. That's why I'm asking you people, what are the new terms you are getting on these three lines? You know, testing, SDLC. Here, the new terms you are getting is defects and the quality product. These are the new terms you are getting, right? So let's see what is these new terms. What is meant by defect and what is meant by quality product. Before going to see the defect, we will see what is meant by software quality. Okay. Here, when you tell that product is quality, it should be satisfy these five terms. It is nothing but it should be bug free. It's nothing but zero bugs. No bug should be present. And next one is the project should be delivered on time. For example, if that software company told that they will deliver the product within 2 months, you should deliver that product in 2 months. And third one is within budget. For example, the customer came to the company and the customer told their budget about 2 crores for that project. That software company has to complete the project within the 2 crores, not more than that. That is called within budget. Meets requirements or expectations is nothing but the customer expecting something from that application. You should satisfy that customer to meet their requirements. And fifth one is maintainable. Maintainable is nothing but after completion of the project, you are going to deliver that project to the customer. After delivering that project, the customer is able to maintain that project by their own without depending on any other persons. That is called maintainable. If these 5 points are satisfied, then only we are going to call it as a quality product. Clear about the quality product definition now? Clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Before going to the defect concept, we are going to see what is meant by project, what is meant by product. Can anyone tell what is the difference between project and product? Don't see these definitions. Okay, you will confuse. Don't see these definitions. I am asking that what is meant by project and what is meant by defect. By your own in generic meaning in the real time. You may see so many examples in real time, day-to-day task, right? So in the day-to-day life, what you observed as a project, what you observed as a product. These are the two things. Give an example for this, Bhargavi, Bhavya, Jyoti.
I don't
No
know.
need of definitions also. Just give an example. It's fine. I don't want any definitions. We are having so many applications, right, in our day-to-day life, right? So in that you can give an example, one application for project, one application for product.
Like Microsoft for project and Microsoft, not Microsoft.
Okay, if you still you
This
guys are not able to give the answer, see the below definitions. No worries. First point and second point. Read these two lines and give an answer.
Project
like
means
banking apps.
Sorry,
Project means like banking apps like that, and
banking apps.
project
apps.
means like specific customer requirement based on his requirements.
I'm asking just an example. Any application example. That's it. I don't want definitions.
If Nestle project is there, కస్టమర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ బేస్ చేసుకొని ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్ డిజైన్ చేస్తారు అండ్ ఆ నెస్లేలో ఉండే ప్రోడక్ట్స్ మార్కెట్ ని బేస్ చేసుకొని ప్రోడక్ట్ తయారు చేస్తారు.
So
Sir, is
here
it
I
clear?
will tell one example. Let you guys tell whether that is project or product. In day to day we are using the phone pay, GPay, Paytm, right?
Yeah,
Payment
those are
related applications.
projects.
These applications comes under project or product.
Projects, I think.
Sorry, it's wrong. Those things are called as a product.
Okay.
Okay, let me tell the meaning of the project and product now. Product is nothing but we are going to design it. A minute, it was deleted 1 minute. Okay, product is nothing but it was designed in that particular company and it will given for the multiple customers. For example, what I'm going to tell is, how many of you guys are know the Teams application? Have you guys are aware about the Teams application, which is the communication application like GoToMeetings?
Yes.
No.
No, you guys know. For example, you guys know about this GoToMeeting at least. You join now.
Yes.
Yes.
This is a product. This product is developed by the GoToMeetings company. And after developing this product, they are selling this product to the different people. Getting my point? They are designing the product for their own, and after designing the product, they are selling the product to the multiple customers. Getting my point?
Yes, it's like Google.
It's like,
It's like Zoom or
yes, Zoom, GoToMeetings, Teams, Paytm, GPay, PhonePe, Amazon, Flipkart, all these things are times under product. Getting my point? Product is nothing but the software companies develop the products by their own and they are selling it to the others. Here, you people may some of you people may aware about the Teams application, right? This Teams application is developed by the Microsoft. They have developed the product for their company and later they start selling the product to the other companies. Getting my point? If you are developer the particular application for the multiple customers, then it is called it as a product. If you are selling that project to the particular customer, then it is called a project. Getting my point?
yes,
Then what is mean by project? Project is nothing but, how many of you people are aware about the DMart and Reliance Mart?
yes,
Everyone, right? I hope
mm,
everyone is aware about the Reliance Mart and DMart Avenue markets, right?
yes,
In that, after buying all the products, you are going to pay the bill, right? While paying a bill, there will be some softwares on their desktop, on their system, right? That software is called system because the software companies develop the software, particular software to only that Reliance Mart or DMart. That software will not be helpful to the other people because there will be some DMart prices, there will be some Reliance Mart prices will be inbuilt given in the software. That software will not be helpful to the other customer. The software company is specifically designed to the only that particular companies. Then it is called project. Getting my point?
yes,
How many of you people are aware about the IRCTC application which helps to book the railway tickets? I hope everyone knows, right?
Yes.
That IRCTC application is developed by the TCS company. It was maintaining also doing by the TCS company only. Okay. The TCS company is developed that IRCTC to the specific IRCTC people only. Getting my point? The TCS company will not sell that IRCTC to the multiple people. Is it or not?
yes,
That IRCTC is developed by the TCS, but it should be given to the IRCTC authorities only. There is no rights to the TCS company to sell that IRCTC company to the other people like us. Getting my point?
yes,
That is called project. One thing what you people has to remember is if the application is developed for the single customer, then it is called it as a project. If the application is developed for the multiple customer, then it is called a product. You may have doubt how GPay and PhonePe becomes the product because the GPay is developed by the Google company, their own product, and they developed that product to the multiple people, multiple customers. Is it or not? They are not given to the single customer, right? Everyone is using the GPay and PhonePe, Paytm now. It's nothing but it was given access to the multiple customers. Getting my point?
yes,
That is called project versus product. And next one is, why do we need testing actually? A very simple question and a very simple answer also. Why do we need testing? To provide the quality product to the customer. And next one is, in the above question we got have some doubt, right? So that is defect. Is it or not? In the above class, we are having a small doubt that's regarding the defect.
Yes.
So let's see what is mean by error. You guys have said that defect is nothing but error, error is nothing but failure, right? So the all things are different. Error is different, bug or defect is different, failure is different. Here, error is nothing but incorrect human action. Incorrect human actions. Whenever the programmer do the programming in the C program or Java programming or Python programming, if that person missed any logic, we are having different concepts like for loops, while loops, do while loops, switch statements, if else statements. We are having different concepts in the Java or programming language. By mistake, if the developer missed any logic or else the developer haven't used the logic properly, due to that programming also we are getting some errors in the application. That thing is called as a error. That is incorrect human action. Okay. And bug or defect is nothing but deviation from expected output. What is mean by deviation from expected output? There will be a login page for the Amazon or Flipkart. You have given valid username and valid password. Then what is your expected output?
To enter the Amazon.
Yes. Actually, after giving the valid username and valid password, your intention or your expected output is to enter into the Amazon application. But here, what happening is it's showing that invalid password. Is it bug or defect or not?
Yes.
That is mean by deviation. That is called bug or defect. Failure is nothing but same thing, same example. You have given invalid user and invalid password. It's working fine in while testing. No deviation. It's working fine while testing. But after giving the software to the customer, while giving invalid username and valid password, we are not able to log in. After deploying or after delivering the product to the customer, then it is called failure. If the deviation is came internally, is nothing but whenever that product is in our hand, in a software company hand, if you found deviation, then it is called defect. If you found same deviation on the hands of customer, then it is called a failure. Getting my point? Bhargavi, Bhavya, Jyoti, Kiran. Are you guys clear?
Yes.
What is meant by error? What is
Yes.
meant by bug? What is meant by failure? Next one is why the software has bugs. It's very important. Actually, why the software has bugs. First one is miscommunication or no communication. For example, the customer will come and tell their requirements to the business analyst. Okay, business analyst is nothing but business analyst will gather all the requirements from the customer and they will explain that requirements to the software developer and the scrum master and architects and tester. For all the people, the business analyst will explain the requirements. Okay, sometimes the customer have given 100% requirement to the BA. After giving that 100% of requirements to the BA, sometimes if the BA missed any of 5% of requirements, the miscommunication is happened. Is it or not? That is called miscommunication or no communication. And second one is software complexity. Let's see the IRCTC application. That in that IRCTC application, we are having the huge functionality. At least if you want to book a ticket, we are having different set of options like seating option and a sleeper A class, B class, and AC first class, second class, third class, and Tatkal ticket booking. We are having different set of ticket booking options, right? Is it or not?
Yes.
That software complexity is very complex compared with other applications. Okay. Due to that complexity, also we are facing some bugs. And third one is programming errors. I already told in the error one, right? Where it was error one.
Human error.
Programming errors is nothing but if we missed any logic or if we missed any syntax. then it is called programming errors. Changing requirements is nothing but initially the customer has given some requirements. After 1 month or 2 months, the customer want to change their requirements. At that time also same thing will happen. And the last one is lack of skilled tester. When you are calling it as a skilled tester, can anyone, when the people identify you as a skilled tester?
No.
What? No, I'm asking a question that when the managers or leads will identify you as a skilled tester. I'm asking that. If you identify more bugs, is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What the skilled tester will do? The skilled tester will do mostly to identify the bugs. Is nothing but whenever you are coming to the testing industry, your mind should think always in negative manner. Then only you can identify the bug. I will tell one example. For example, A person is there, B person is there. Both persons are writing the assignments. That A person has written 60% mistakes and B person has written only 20% mistakes. That A person has to review the B person assignments, and A person will not identify any mistakes in their assignment, even though 60% mistakes are available in that A assignment. But A person identifies 80% mistakes from B person, even though only 20% mistakes are available in B. Why? Because we can't identify mistakes on your own plate, right? So we can find the mistakes from other plates. That is the human nature. Is it or not? How many people are agree for this point?
Yes.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
So in similar way, you people has to think negatively. While testing that application, you people has to behave as a customer for that application. For example, you people are working on the Flipkart company. You are testing the Flipkart application. At that time, how you people has to work as, you people think of that you are the Flipkart user. For example, if you want to order a product in the Flipkart, how the customer is behave, what are the possibilities he's having. For example, the customer came to the Flipkart application due to some network issue. Is nothing but network is gone. After reconnecting, the customer is facing some issues. That is also bug. Getting my point? What I'm telling. You people should behave as a customer while testing an application. That is a key point to become a skilled tester. Okay. Due to lack of skilled testers, also software has so many bugs. If skilled testers are available, the bugs will not be present, right? That is the point of this one. And last topic for the day is, why do you choose the testing job? You guys already know these things because that you guys all already know about this question. That's why you join in this course, right? Otherwise, you won't be there in this course itself, right? Why do you choose testing jobs? Scope of getting jobs is very, very high. No need to depend on upon any other technology. Testing is there forever. Whenever the development is there, the testing is also there for forever. One can be consistent throughout their life. These are the 4 points you already know about the testing job, right? This is all about the today session. If you guys have any doubts, you can ask me now. Any doubts, guys? Please respond, guys. Any doubts so far? What are the concepts we learned so far in the first session? Can anyone brief? Nothing you learned in the today's session? Bhargavi, Bhavya, Jyoti, Kiran. No doubt. At least respond, guys.
No.
Yeah, no.
What are the topics we'll learn in the today's session?
This
Types
section
of
will
programming.
we
Okay,
learned
can you read?
type of softwares,
Okay,
Project versus product.
product, and bugs, error,
okay,
and
okay,
what is the software called? Yeah, I already told bugs.
okay,
Project product.
okay,
Then why do you?
okay. Anyway, fine. I hope. Yes, yes, go on.
No, just like I'm telling last one. The why do you do testing jobs?
Okay. Anyway, I hope you guys can understand the concept what I did. So I'm going to share this material also. By this end of the day, I will know the how many people are enrolled, and for them I will share. I think the Jyoti is confirmed, right? And
Yeah,
Jyoti and Bhavya, the two people are confirmed, I think.
Me
Is it or not?
also.
Let me know.
Bhargavi, I am also confirmed.
Okay, you are from which institute?
Harsha.
Okay, the
Harsha
three people
Training.
are confirmed, and I will share this document also by the today EOD. Okay. Tomorrow concepts is very important. Don't miss the class. What are the SDLC models and what are the types available? And we are having mainly two types. Within the two types, again we are having some examples. In the tomorrow session, I am going to explain the waterfall model and spiral model and advantages and disadvantages of these two models and differential definition of service and product based companies and in which companies is better to get a job. I will explain that point and how the salaries are there in the service based company, how the salaries are there in the product based company. We'll explain in the tomorrow session and which companies will uh, uh, helps to in your career growth. How your career growth will be there in the service and product based companies will be explained in the tomorrow session. Tomorrow session is very important. Don't miss it. I will share this recording also. The people who enrolled, for them only the recording session link will be sent. Remaining people, the link won't be sent, and that from tomorrow also you people are not able to attend for the tomorrow classes. The people who is not yet enrolled. Okay. I hope you guys clear.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you all for joining. Have a nice day.